Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 27B2U6903 4K Ultra HD monitor with Thunderbolt 4. So friend, Philips has introduced the 27B2U6903, a 27-inch 4K Ultra High Definition monitor designed for professional work. And friend, the monitor is feature a high resolution IPS LED panel with a resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixels, supporting 1.07 billion colors and wide color gamut to deliver accurate and vibrant visual. And the inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 connectivity allow for versatile peripheral integration, enabling user to establish dual screen setup through daisy chaining, transfer data at high speed, and provide up to 100 watt of power to a connected device. And additionally, the monitor is equipped with RJ45 Ethernet port, facilitating stable wired network connection and enhanced bandwidth capabilities, Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C interface. So friend, the monitor is standby, a fully adjustable, offering high customization, tilt, pivot, and swivel capabilities to accommodate various workspace configuration and user preference. And the adjustment help in maintaining a comfortable posture during extended period of use. And the monitor also support easy source switching to provide multiple connectivity options to streamline work for efficiency. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.